Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's card making project, I'm using this A2 size card and I'm going to see which will match this card. So I found this beautiful pattern paper. So I'm going to use one of the sheets from this pattern paper. So it's so beautiful, each one of them is nice and bright. So I think this will not match. No, I am thinking of this paper. I'm going to cut the small piece of paper and then I'll be back. So now I did cut the piece of paper, which is 5.5 by 2 inches, and I'm going to adhere it on the base card. Before that, I am sticking this small strip on the side of the paper, and then together I'm going to stick it on the base card. Now I'm just placing this ephemera, and then before sticking that, I'm going to first stamp the sentiment. Now I'm going to put all together. I'm going to use double-sided foam, and then I'm going to stick the flower and the leaf. And then I'm using the same double-sided foam tape for the sentiment, and I'm also sticking that on the card. And I had the leftover piece, so I'm going to adhere it in the inner side of the card. So as a final touch, I put all these gemstones. This is the gemstone I used. So this finishes my card. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so you can see the close-up pictures at the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project with a new ideas. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.